everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Violet and Mommy Baking Show. Say, I'm Violet.
I'm Violet.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy! It's been a while. It's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah. But we were reading a magazine. And
we are gonna do making this.
yeah, apple muffins. It's right here in the magazine. Violet asked if we could make it, and I said sure. So we're gonna do that together. You ready?
Yeah.
If you noticed, we got a new kitchen, right? We moved, and we got a new baby in the house too.
Yeah, and we named her Willow.
Yeah, we named her Willow. So, yeah, lots of changes since our last baking show. Okay, so we got all our ingredients together. We preheated the oven. Thanks, oven, for cooking. You want to say that?
Thanks, oven, for cooking.
All right, so we're going to start by melting a stick of butter. What do you think about that?
Good.
All right, let's do it.
Hi.
All right, Miss Violet, can you take this butter and put it in this bowl? Very carefully. Excellent. Good. All right, now you're going to take, very nice, very thorough. Here's your sugar. Okay. Yep, you're going to take your 1 cup and you're going to scoop the sugar. A lot of it, so you need a whole cup. That's a little less, but you know it's not going to hurt us to have less sugar, is it? Nice job. Now you're going to take this and you're going to stir, stir, stir. Nice job. She has improved since last we did a baking show. You better believe it, right? An egg. An egg is next. You want to crack the egg and put it in? Oh boy, here we go. Very nice. Okay, the whole egg went in. We just want the inside of the egg. So we're going to dump that out and you're going to do a little more stirring. All right, Mommy just helped a little bit. And now we put the cover back on the sugar. Can you say sugar?
Sugar.
Now we need some baking soda. I've got it up here. Baking soda.
Can I put it in?
You sure can. Let me get you a half a teaspoon, and then you can scoop it and put it right in. And this is kind of tricky because it's not all the way open. Can you dip your little scoopy in there? Yeah. Whoa, good job. I'm gonna put a little bit more because we didn't get quite a full teaspoon. Stir, stir, stir. Can you do it just as fast as Mommy? Hold it with the other hand. Wow! She is a really fast stirrer. Nice job. Pretty good. What else do we need? Flour. Let's get that going. As usual, we've got gluten-free flour. And we're going to use 2 different kinds. So it's going to be hard to get it out of there because it's almost gone. Ooh, boy. Yeah, okay. That's a little scoop. Ooh. Okay. We got a little mess to clean up on the floor. But that's okay, right? We're learning. All right, can I scoop it out of this one and you scoop it out of that one? Okay. All right. Mommy's going to get a big scoop.
Mommy,
right.
that's a lot.
That's a lot in there, and we're going to put even more.
Even more.
I'm going to scoop it and you dump it. Scoop and dump. Your turn. Dump. Good job. All right, now you stir, stir, stir. Don't stir too fast because it's got flour this time. Very good. We did wash our hands, by the way, between the first and now, right?
Yeah.
You got clean hands and a pure heart?
Yeah, I don't need to clean my hands. It's not dirty.
No, they're not dirty because we cleaned them. Yeah. All right, next we need a cup of oats. Ow!
Can I do the couple of oats?
All right, we're gonna pour that into this really carefully. All the way filled.
That's enough.
Good job. I'll help a little bit.
Now don't do mess.
Oh, I made a mess. Oh no.
Now can I pull it?
Yep. Very nice job. And then we'll stir it again.
I'm gonna stir it. No, you need help. I need help.
Are you kidding me? That was such a short stir.
I need help.
All right. Okay. It is not very liquidy. I'm kind of surprised that it's so,
Liquidy.
yeah, opposite of liquidy.
I don't want to do the devil again.
What? I thought you liked baking shows.
I love baking shows, and I don't want to do a baking show again with Opal, but I'm gonna do a baking show with Opal and Daddy, and
What?
Mommy, and me.
With everybody? That's crazy. All right, so next we need to cut up some apples. So I'm gonna work on that.
Can I put them in?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put all of them in.
All right, here's one apple cut up. Would you like to put them in there? You push them in with your hand. Go like this. Can you do that?
I'm gonna put all of them.
Good job. And then I gotta cut up another apple to put in there.
And can I eat an apple?
You can eat a tiny piece of apple if you'd like.
This one that's not cut up.
What? That's not a tiny piece.
I just want to have one that's
We'll see if we have enough apple for that. Okay?
okay.
Where'd you go?
I got on the table to get my orange.
Oh, well, can you push these in?
Yeah.
And do you want to stir it or you want me to stir it?
I want you to stir it.
Okay. And then we got to get the cupcake tin and put in the liners. Sound good?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. We've got liners. Ugh. What was that?
That was a seed in there.
That's disgusting. You can't be doing that while we're doing a baking show. Bully ya. All right. What colors do we have here? What's this?
Red, black, yellow, pink, I don't know, white,
It's like purplish. And,
blue.
okay. Do you want to help me put in the liners or no?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. All right. So now we're scooping them into the pans. And we're using our fingers because it's kind of tricky without. I suppose we could use 2 spoons, but what's the fun in that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to push them in.
Ugh.
Yep.
Bleh.
Yeah. And also, I'm not sure that these muffin tins are big enough that we're going to get it all in there. So maybe we'll have to make one on the side. We'll see. Don't put your fingers back in here now. We got to talk about the rules of food, don't we?
I need to wash my hands. Bye, baking show. See you when I'm back.
Introducing, for the first time in baking show history, Willow Grace. You say hello. Look. You say hello. Hello, Willow. Say hi. Welcome to the baking show. She's our guest star today, right, Violet? Yeah.
And Willow's here.